I'm Manuel Grande. I'm the head of solar system physics at Aberystwyth University. I've been involved in Cassini now for 30 years. I'm a co-investigator on the Huygens lander, which landed on the surface of Titan, and I'm also a co-investigator on the CAPS instrument, which looks at the space environment around Saturn, and in particular around Titan and around Enceladus. And finally, I'm a co-investigator on the dust package, which is an instrument which, when a dust grain hits it, tells you what that dust grain was made of. Cassini is a huge mission designed to tell you everything you ever wanted to know about Saturn and Titan. It's a big thing, it's the size of a bus, it's very complicated. Most spacecraft just orbit around a moon or a planet. Cassini has done an incredibly complicated orbit, bouncing off Titan 50 or something times, each time readjusting its orbit, so it sees different bits of Saturn, different bits of Titan. In its final phase, it's going to fly through the rings and measure their weight. It tells you how long the rings have been there. It's told us a tremendous amount about Saturn. Many of the things that we thought we knew weren't correct. We couldn't see the surface of Titan before Cassini because it's completely covered in clouds. We now know that the surface of Titan looks very much the same as the surface of Earth from a distance. You can see rivers, you can see sand dunes, big lakes, size of the Great Lakes. It's got seasons. The difference is that it's much, much colder, and the liquid is liquid methane, like in your camping gas cylinder, and the rocks are ice. But the biggest surprise has been Enceladus. When we launched, we imagined that the magnetosphere, the space around the planet, was dominated by Titan. It turns out that Enceladus has water geysers on it, which dominate the content of the space. But more important than that, nobody ever dreamt you could have a liquid water ocean that far out from the sun. Cassini has told us everything we know about a planet in our solar system.